Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This channel I'm gonna play is a most scary game, The Maze. The Maze is like dying somehow. So yeah, I played this game like in November from 2022. So yeah, and there's only 3 people to this. Oh no, there's more people and more. Move. In my other horror games like Rainbow Friends. Yeah, so yeah. The Maze. Play. I already know how to play this game. Woo! I'm gonna get scared somehow. What? I need a flashlight. Blood. Blood footprints. I need a camera. Wait. Grab the flashlight and the camera. Let's go. And I need to follow the blood. And here we go. 3, 2. Wait. Still there. Okay. Where is the? Oh, we're almost there. In three, 2, 1. This is not. Oh my gosh, someone died. Oh no, run. Okay, running. I didn't got scared from that. Oh, come on. Let's try this again. Oh my gosh, and let me grab this camera and the flashlight. Let's run. Woo! Woo! Here we go. Here we go. I don't want to be there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's literally a cave. Nothing to worry about. No! No, it's him. No. No. Okay, he's gone. Okay, I'm safe now. If I see another one, I died. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to play this horror game. Hey, a battery! Thanks. Let's go. Hey! Crawl. Turn my flash. Wait, he's here. Oh, he's here. Oh, he's here. I hear him. He's almost there. Dead. Help. Oh, I need to. My battery is still okay. I need. need a rune. I don't want to die. He's there. He's there. He's there. Okay. Okay, he's there. Bro, I still hear him. I still hear the footprints. Where is he? Wait, a rock. Found it. Okay, one is there. He's gonna die. No, I mean he's gonna get hit from it. I'll put my here it is on. I need my flashlight on. If I hear him one time and he sees me, I'm gonna throw a rock from him because now I failed. But oh no. I died again. I died. Why I died. Oh my gosh. Why can't I jump? Oh, now I can jump. Grab my camera and grab my flashlight. Woo. Let's get in there. Woo! Let's get in there. Woo! Let's get in there. Oh look. Another player. Nice. Oh my goodness. What? I almost hear like his footprints. I hear him. Okay. Oh no, he's still there. Hey, get out. No, he's not there. He's not that closer. A little. I'm getting out. Bro, there's another. Nah, I can't go. I can't get in. I can't get in there. I can't get in there. Why? Please, just get out. Monsters? Okay, he's not there. Finally. Okay. No. I hear him. Third time. And I got scared a little bit. My heart just went beeping so a little bit. My gosh. Oh my gosh. Woo! Battery. I don't hear him. Okay, no. Wait, no, I don't want to crawl. Okay, he's not there. He's like so close. No, he's so close. Nah, I found him. Run. No. No. If you like this video, subscribe, comment, and join my Discord.